Hi all, here I'm explaining how to configure Wi-Fi in our network Wi-Fi PTZ camera. Very first you need to get the IP address. Very first you need to connect the network cable and provide power to the camera. You can see that it is connected to the power and the network cable is there, so the camera is on. Then you need to find out the IP address assigned to this camera. You can do this by running a software like Angry IP Scanner. Here I can see few IPs in which this one belongs to my camera. This is a kind of gut feeling that okay, this one is my camera's IP address. Now the thing comes how to configure Wi-Fi on it. For that you need to type the IP address here. HTTP 192.168.1.116, and it will say that it is for the IP address. It asks for the username and password. You will get that username and password in the manual, so I am just typing the one I have configured in it. Now it asks for download the ActiveX plugin. You can, but you can just to configure the Wi-Fi, you don't have to. Simply say that you want RC plugin mode, and it will go in RC plugin mode. Now here you need to go to device management. In device management, go to network settings. Under that, go for Wi-Fi setup, scan. It will scan the available Wi-Fi. Just select the one you want. Give the share key. Of course I am not going to show you that. Once you give the share key, click on set. It will say the changes will take effect after rebooting the device. Now make sure the moment you reboot, you need to take out the network cable. So I press OK. It says it's rebooting and I am taking out the network cable from the camera. Now let it reboot. It will take about a minute. I don't have a method to pause the recording, so I have to wait for a minute. I need to keep it running. After that it will come on Wi-Fi, and then we need to check the IP address again, like which IP address is assigned to it. 23, 22. I'm taking it a bit back so you can also see the camera. You can see that camera started to rotate. That means it's rebooting now. In the countdown we still have few seconds left. It's better to wait for the countdown to complete before doing anything. It may not get the same IP address, or it may, it depends. So it's trying to refresh, it's trying to connect to the same IP address if it's possible. Meanwhile, we re-execute the Angry IP Scanner to figure out if it have a different IP address assigned to it. It's a free utility, Angry IP Scanner. You can download it anywhere very easily from internet. So we got 5 alive hosts, out of which 6. Now this one got 17. So instead of 16, this one got 17. So we need to go and type 17 here just to verify that it is indeed for the IP camera, and yes, you can see it is for the IP camera. I am again giving the username and password, and you can see that we came again in the. We can also go for this image browsing mode. Here you can see that it will show the video, but it's not like that. It's not that much good. You can configure the date and time the way you want. So this is how we can configure the Wi-Fi. As you can see, the camera is now running on Wi-Fi and not on the wire, because wire is removed. So thank you for watching the video.